Let me show you one of the best free live chats you can add to your site. It's called the 3CX, and I'm actually amazed to tell you how much they are providing on the free plan. That it's incredible. Now you get 10 users, you get live chat, you get meetings, you get calls to your phone, you get your phone app, and all of this for free. Now I think they are so confident with their product is that you're gonna love the free plan, and when you are ready to escalate, you'll be happy to pay the month-to-month pricing. Now let me show you what I'm talking about right now. So the live chat that I'm talking about is called 3CX. And before I show you how to implement it on a WordPress site, let me show you really fast the free plan because like I said, it's amazing. So this is 3CX. If you want to check it out, link will be provided in the description. Now let me head on over to pricing. And as of this video, you're going to get all of this on the free plan. So you're going to get next gen phone system, bring your own SIP trunk, WFX, I don't know what that is, remote enabled teams. You get live chat, you get team messaging, you get WhatsApp integration, you got video conferencing, holiday and business hours routing, 3CX talk links, mobile and desktop apps, ring group, welcome message, and max 3 desktops. Now, all of this, plus you get up to 10 users on the free plan. I mean, talk about it. That's one of the best free plans I've seen for live chats. Now, when you're ready to jump into the paid plan, you got these options. But I think most people would be perfectly fine with the free plan without even jumping into a paid plan. So like I said, I think they are confident on their product. Now, let me show you my live chat that I've installed. This is a demo site that I have, and I've installed the live chat bubble here. So if I go ahead and jump into a chat, you got add your name and my email. That's how I have it set it up. And I already added this. So I'm going to start a live chat. Now, this comes implemented. You can use your browser, mobile desktop, or I can use my mobile phone for this. So for example, if I start a chat here, I'll say hi, and I'm gonna get a message here on my live chat. So here we go. I can go ahead and respond and I can say hello. There we go. And it responded really quickly there. And as a user, I have the option to call this person. That's if I want to enable this. But it's a really neat feature that I haven't seen on many live chats. So if the user thinks that it's really important and they want to call, here we go. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Let me go ahead and end it there because I don't want to get echo. But I mean, that's how easy it is to jump on a call right now to talk about the service, the product, or whatever you're offering. And it gives it a really neat feature for the clients to get in touch with you really quickly, either chat or a call. Now, how easy is it to implement this? Well, it's actually super easy. I'm going to show you on my WordPress site. Like I said, this is my demo site. And you're going to install a plugin. So head on over to plugins, add new, and we're going to search for 3CX. Okay. Once you search for 3CX, you're going to get this one right here. And we're going to activate it. This is for the live chat and calls and WhatsApp. All right. Once you install that, it's going to install this menu right here. And we're going to add this link that we generate when we create a plan on 3CX, a free plan. Okay. Everything that you're seeing right now, it's free. Okay. And I have it enabled to view on all pages, but you can set it to different type of pages. Maybe you don't want to activate it on the cart page, on the my account, etc. And you have the option for that. And show the powered by 3CX. So I don't want to show that, so I leave it like that, and I save, and I got my live chat. Now, where do you grab this link? Like I said, when you open the account, you're going to be able to grab that link. But if you don't find that link, you can grab it over here. So once you're on your panel, jump into admin. We're going to go into configure voice and chat. And then this one, which is a live chat that I created, it's this link right here. Okay. I have options to edit this if I like. For example, I want to enable it on this site, which is my test site. What visitors information do you want? In this case, I want the email. But if you need something else, you can go ahead and select it. The setup mode, chat icon only, phone and chat. And then we have the styling options for this chat. In this case, this is what I'm using, the default by 3CX, but you can select a different one or customize the chat bubble. So you have these three options available, and you have some animation here. You want to slide up, slide from the side, fade in, or no animation. So have it fade in. Then we have the messages. Okay, so default interface language is going to be default by the browser. So if someone is browsing it, in my case, if I'm browsing in Spanish, well, it's going to show it in Spanish. Now, if I want to customize the welcome messages, I can do so here, okay? Or if I want to just say, you know what, I want this in Spanish, 100%, I can just go ahead and select this, okay? Then we have the agents. So show the agent's name, the avatar and name, the default agent information. So I called it Mr. Helpful, but you can call it whatever you want. Advanced, so if you want to enable calls, a queue or ring group when there is no agent handling the chat, yes, we can enable this. Enable privacy controls. So if you want to add a consent here for GDPR, you can do so there. Set up the office hours. So this is a really good idea because the live chat knows when you're available or not. So I've set Monday through Saturday with the same date, but I can add my own hours for individual days, and I can add some break hours if I know I'll go to lunch from 1 to 2 p.m., etc. I can go ahead and add the break hours here. Assign date numbers, word to send call messages, play announcements for this. So when office is closed, route to. So if you want to route it somewhere else, depending if you're not available, when on break route, so route it somewhere else. So you have different options depending how you want to set it up. The call handling, you get all the options here. So add a ring group, add queue, digital receptionist. The reports for all this, you have your call logs, your chat logs. And like I said, all of this is for free. Like I said, I'm on the free plan and I get up to 10 users as of this video, okay? And there's also the teams. I can view my team members here and I can add new ones if I like. So for example, I created John Doe, which is one of my team members. He is a receptionist, okay? Now, if I need to add another one, I do so in the admin section. Now, there's a chat option here. So like I said, if you don't want to do it on your phone, if someone is chatting, you can do it here. So let me go ahead and test it out. Let's go ahead and end this chat. Okay, let's start a new one. It knows who I am already based on the IP. And I'll just type something random. Here we go. And here it is. Okay, I can do so from here. I'll get notifications on my browser. I'll get notifications on my phone if I have it connected there. And I can respond from here, respond from over there. And it's just super easy to do so. Okay, so let's go ahead and respond to this one. So I'll just say, hello. Here we go. And obviously you got a notification because they received the message. I'm on the same browser. And it's really easy. If you want to forward this, you can do so. If you want to dealt with, so if it's done, you can select it there. And you have other options here, okay? There's also the meet option. So in the meet option, we can create an actual meeting here. I'm going to allow my camera for this. I'm going to open this. Here we go. Permission granted. I'm going to allow it. Okay, there it is, FaceTime. And here's the link to invite someone. So let me go ahead and grab this really quickly. Go into incognito mode, jump inside of there. I'm going to allow it over here in incognito mode. It might get a little bit tricky here. Here we go, allow. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and say max, join now. Oh, the meeting hasn't started. Let me go ahead and start now. Okay, here we have a meeting. We shared the link really quickly. And let's jump into our incognito mode. Jump. Hello. I know it would echo. Let me pause that. Okay, so the idea of this is to just show you how easy it is to create a meeting and start right away with someone, okay? Now, again, this is on the free plan. You can also schedule meetings, you can send invites, and there's a lot of options. You can share a desktop, you can turn off camera, turn it on, etc. Let's go ahead and end this meeting. Okay, we're not gonna judge it right now. Let's go away, go back to meeting. And if I wanna add a new meeting, I can do so here, new conference. So I can do by audio, video, webinar, etc., and all that good stuff, okay? Then we have the calls information here. So the calls that we've created here on my test, we're able to view them here in a call log. There's our panel with information, the contacts. We have the voicemail. So if someone calls and you don't respond, there's a voicemail. The settings for all of this. So for example, obviously you can change my image, my phone number, my language, my selected theme. Here it's slide. Enable push notifications. Yes, we want to get notified. We got the 3CX talk. So friendly name, the URLs. So these URLs make it really easy to share and just start right away with a live chat or with a call, or with a meeting, etc. all via this, okay? So let me show you really quickly, incognito mode, jump into that link, go ahead and share it, and someone can start a call with a chat with you in this case, or a meeting with a URL, okay? We have the chat options, show chat toaster, play chat notification, audio and video options. You got your view options, your call forwarding, your general meets, your integrations, your scan QR. So on the phone, when you download the app, you scan the QR code and it connects really quickly. So I like that option, the BLF options, and you get all of that. In the admin section, you can create your users, your office hours, your call handling, and call handling, you get all these options available. And one of the cool features that it has, I haven't connected it, and you get WhatsApp message from 3CX. So you can integrate with WhatsApp. I'll leave the link to this also so you can analyze it. But like I said, this is included on the free plan. So I'm really amazed of what they include for free. So if you need a live chat on your website, I go ahead and recommend this, install it on your site and start using live chat and receive calls right away. But there you go. That is 3CX. If you want to check it out, the link will be provided in the description, and that's a wrap.